rehydrated bamboo shoots, and a few goji berries. In China, this type of recipe is called an art dish. Elaborate though quickly made, it belongs to one of the main traditional Chinese cooking styles, Jiangnan cuisine, named after the rich farming region surrounding Hangzhou and Shanghai.
Jiangnan cooking is based on salty tastes and served at a mild temperature. That's why we must get the freshest local ingredients and cook them as simply as possible in order to preserve their original taste. That's the main difference between my restaurant's cooking and the cooking of other restaurants, where the dishes have a more luxurious touch, but do not taste quite as natural.
这就是炒糖菜和别家餐厅可能不一样的地方吧。